Hey, what's going on, YouTube? My family and my friends, Excellent Dreams here, back with another exclusive video for you today. So, after you purchase any one of my files from my shop, let me just go to my shop. Let me see. All right. So, after you choose any one of these designs, the designs are currently 40% off any one design or 60% off any order over $100. Okay, there's over 321 designs on my site. So after you purchase a design, you should get a email to your email from Etsy letting you know that you purchased the file and should send you the download file. If not, you go here, right here under your account. You click there. Right here under purchases and reviews, you click there. And here's all of your download files. Your purchases will be here. You can download the files from here. Download files, download files, download files. See, I purchased some myself. Download files, and all right, I can't download these anymore. But all right, let me see if I can still download. All right, let's see, download here. And I still got my download. See, comes up as a Dropbox file. So I can still get these downloads even though I purchased them 2021, 3 years ago. So go here, go to your purchases, and all your downloads should pop up here. All right. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to hit that like button. Make sure to smash that notification button to be notified when I drop a new video or when I go live. And I'm out.